Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and build a full stack app with Supabase, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the necessary tools installed on your computer. You will need Node.js and npm, as well as Git for version control. Start by opening your terminal or command prompt. Verify that Node.js is installed by running the command node v. This will display the version of Node.js you have. Next, check if npm is installed by running npm v. Now, let's create a new directory for your application. Use the command dir my Supabase app to create the folder. Navigate into your new directory using cd my Supabase app. Initialize a new Node.js project by running npm init-y. This command will create a package.json file for your project. Next, you will need to install Supabase JavaScript client. Use the command npm install at supabase/supabase.js. Now, let's set up Supabase for your application. Visit supabase.io and sign up for a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, create a new project and name it accordingly. Choose a database password and click Create New Project. Wait a few moments for your project to be set up. Once it's ready, navigate to the project settings. Here, you will find your API keys and database URL. Copy the URL and anon key for later use. Return to your terminal and create an index.html file. Use a text editor of your choice to open index.html. Add basic HTML structure to your file. Include a script tag where you'll load the Supabase client. Now, create a new JavaScript file named app.js. In this file, import the Supabase client at the top. Initialize Supabase with the URL and anon key you copied earlier. Create a function to handle user authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.